What's up, guys? Chris Honda here. Just doing a quick unboxing video of my new Buddy Club short shifter. Came in this box. I'm kind of mad no Buddy Club sticker came with it, but it was on sale. Usually this thing is about 180, 190, 200 bucks. I got it for $155 right now. Plus tax, which came out to a little bit about I think $13 in tax, so about $173. Pretty nice looking piece from the reviews. So I really hope this thing is worth its money. I did see a lot of good reviews on it, and my friend Alex, who had the other EP, also had this and he loved it. But unfortunately he sold it before I could buy it. I wanted to get it, could have gotten it a lot cheaper since it was used, but I didn't have money at the time. So finally got some money to get this Buddy Club bought, and then, you know, as you guys know, I always get it installed. I really don't want to attempt trying to do this because I heard the cables, there's not a lot of room in the EP on the dash where the shifter is located to mess around with it, and I don't have the tools to grab those cables. So I'm also doing the transmission cables as well. My friend Tyson at Silver State Complete Auto Repair is going to do that. So once we get those cables put in, I'm gonna get this put in all in one shot. I'm also getting new throttle cables. I'm basically almost done mechanically for the car before I do a motor swap. I've done the suspension, I've done the brakes, you know, tie rods, end links, you know, rotors, pads, steel braided brake lines. You know, most of that stuff is done. And then the long wait and saving to get a motor put in, hoping to do a DC5 Type R motor in here if that ever happens. I'm hoping to get that done, and then once that's done, I'll start working on the car's cosmetic stuff. But it's going to be a long process, man. It's expensive. I mean, just to get this was $173, plus the cables, the transmission cables, the throttle cable. And I'm not even going with the K-Tune race spec cables, man. I'm just going with an OEM cable just so that it's new and the shifter action's nice. And the throttle cable got stuck on me last month, so you know what, I'm gonna get that done and out of the way so that when the new motor and trans comes in, everything else will be okay behind it, and it'll be a nicer drive for the car. So I'm getting there. I'm getting the mechanicals almost done, hoping that some finances come in to get this motor, because I've been looking at the motor and it's nothing but gone up in price, man. I don't know, because of COVID. So hopefully when the pandemic releases, those prices will drop. And here is the part code that came with it right there. And then just gonna open this piece out here. I can't wait. I stitched the part, and I'm gonna stitch the part of the video where the way the shifter is now, it's probably all worn out. 18 years old on the stock shifter. I did do the metal bushings here on that, but that didn't do crap to the shifter action, man. You know, it's sloppy and stuff. And as you can see, this one's made pretty nice. This is a shorter, I think about an inch shorter than the actual stock one. And then the throws are 40% shorter. I mean, I could just tell when I move this around, it's nice and solid. So I had good reviews for this Buddy Club, and you can see that Buddy Club sticker there. I don't know if you can see that. It's a pretty nice little sticker there, but that's all it came with. It didn't come with a real cool Buddy Club sticker. It would have been nice if I got one of these, but you know, my car's stickered out already as it is, but it would have been nice to get one. So hopefully this is going to be put on this Friday, tomorrow. I can't wait. I'm very excited, especially with the new transmission cables. This thing is going to be, you know, hopefully a lot nicer and a lot quicker shifting with the shifter action. You know, when you're trying to pull or at least just doing some spirited driving, you know, the feel would be a lot better. You know, so getting there, man, you know, slowly but surely trying to get all the mechanicals done on this little EP, and make it a nice little driver. I mean, I'm not looking to put like 500 horsepower turbo motor in here. I mean, unless I had the money, but you know, a nice 200 to 220 would be nice for this car with smooth shifting action, a nice clutch, man, and a decent motor like the DC5 Type R motor. This would be really fun to drive. I mean, that's pretty much all I'm looking after, really. I mean, I do kind of want to get the car's cosmetics done, but I mean, just after the motor, that's you know, it's gonna need I'm gonna put a new clutch on the motor before it goes in, probably a timing chain and a water pump, man. And I don't even know if I'm gonna go with a intake manifold or not. I'll just leave the stock, you know, and then just get it tuned. But it really depends on what finances are there. It's you know, it takes a very long time for me to get mods done, you know. But I'm glad that there's people helping me out, like Silver State, who puts a lot of my stuff in for me and does it at a fair price, man. And they do really good work. No complaints on my car so far. He's done everything to my car, man. You know, radiator, fuel pump, strut tower bars, control arms. You know, he did all my suspension. Everything is, you know, all polyurethane down there now. He did the end links and the tie rods, and Arrow Alignment did my alignment for my car. So hopefully this will be awesome. We can't wait to get it done tomorrow. And then I'm going to do a quick video on that once it's in and stitch it in. You know, so thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. And enjoy the video. What's up, guys? Like I said, I just wanted to show you. Look how sloppy that old shifter is, man. 18 years of abuse, man. You know, things all like sloppy. The first and second shift too is if you don't just have it just right, you can grind it. That in third gear as well. So I'm hoping to get this fixed. Tomorrow will be the day. Thank you, Silver State. They're going to drop the new transmission shifter cable in there, as well as the short shifter. So more to come on that. Thanks. Good morning, YouTube. Chris Honda here, stitching this video in. I am at Silver State Complete Auto Repair, getting the short shifter put in and the shifter cables and the throttle cable. So here's the way it looks with the cover off. I took the cover off just to help my buddies so that they don't have to do it. And as you can see, that's how loose and old the old shifter is. I did put new shifter. I'm not sure what you call it, but shifter base bushings in there, and that didn't do nothing. So hopefully this Buddy Club will be worth its money. I heard from the reviews that they are good, but we'll wait to see. We'll do a before and after video, but definitely you know, get it out there. And for you EP3 guys, if you haven't done your shifter yet, I'll let you guys know if it's any good. Have a good day, guys, and hope you like the video. Peace out. All right, guys, good morning. We are at Silver State, just doing a quick video out here. We'll do a quick walk around in their shop. They are packed and busy today. All the bays over there. There's Mike and there's Tyson over there walking around. What's up, Tyson?
What's going on?
Hey, man, thanks again for taking care of my car. And there's Mike right there. What's up, Mike? So we are out here. This bay, I believe, where my car is going to go in, but the other bays over here, they're pretty busy today. There's a lot of cars out here. Thank God they took me in today. And this is where the magic happens for my car. I've been going to this place for about, I don't know, 5 years now, man. And they've been taking care of my both my cars. My whole family goes here. If you guys are in the Henderson area and want to get a good shop to come to Silver State Complete Auto Repair, man. They're awesome. We're gonna go and do a quick shout out for them right here. This is their website and hours of operation. And then, well, where is the address? Well, they're at 1010 North Stephanie on in Henderson, Nevada. So usually their shop is super clean, but they are been packed with lots of cars. So they'll probably clean up at the end of the day. But this place is awesome, man. Stitching this in the video, and we'll do the before and after with the short shifter later. There you go, guys. Mike is bringing the car into the shop already. Oh man, I'm so excited. I can't wait.
No matter what you say.